1995. It is the successor of earlier forms of BASIC, Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instructions Code. QBasic is an ideal programming language for beginners because of its simple commands, improved programming structures, better graphics and flexibility. It is an integrated development environmental IDE to write, edit, debug and execute basic programs. Okay, do you know who are they? On the right is John G. Kameny and on the left is Thomas E. Kurtz. They designed BASIC language in 1964. Students, let me explain you constants and variables. Constants are the values that do not change during the execution of a program. Constants are of two types: numeric constants and character constants. Numeric constants are further divided into two types: integer and real constants. Integer constants are positive or negative numbers without any fractional part. For example, 12, 234, minus 786, etc. Real constants are the numbers with a fractional part. For example, 75.5, 46.25, etc. Character constants are also of two types: single character constant and string multi-character constant. Constant A. Single character constant contains only a single character enclosed in double quotes. Example, D, F, etc. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. Example, KIPS. Welcome to basic programming, etc. Now let us talk about variable. A variable is a name which can contain a value. It continues to hold the value until another value is assigned to it. A variable has a type which is defined by the kind of value it holds. A numeric variable can hold only numbers that can be of integer, floating decimal, or long integer type. It is represented by an alphabet. A numeric variable should not contain any space or symbols, like caret, question mark, backslash, forward slash, @, etc. For example, a equals to 5 means the value 5 is assigned to the variable a. The second type of variable is string variable. A string variable contains symbols, values, or text within double quotes. It is represented by an alphabet followed by the dollar sign. For example, $a equals to KIPS. Let me help with an example. Now, another way to think of a variable is to imagine a small bucket with a name on it. Put name dollars on it. This is the bucket's variable's name. Now take a piece of paper and write your name on it and drop it into the imaginary bucket. Now the variable name dollar has your name in it. Same ways, computer variables can only hold one piece of information, one value at a time. Okay, let's know more. The data variable or expression should be of the same type on either side of the statement. If variable is numeric, the data assigned to it should also be numeric, and so is the case with the string variables. Example, A equals to 42, $a equals to God is great. Alright students, let me tell you that you can use dollar, exclamation and hash signs in a variable name. Students, now let us have a discussion on constants and variable. Now let me guide you how to start QBasic. Double-click on the QBasic icon on the desktop to start QBasic. The QBasic window will appear with the Welcome dialog box. Press Escape key to hide the Welcome dialog box. Type the following program and press F5 to run the program. CLS. Print, quoted, welcome to the world of computers, quote close. End. Alright, now let us learn the QBasic statements. CLS stands for clear screen and is used to clear the screen. The print statement is used to display any message or the output of a program. The message has to be enclosed within quotes, but the constants, variables and expressions can be expressed as such. The syntax is line number, print, bracket in constant, bracket close, or bracket in variable, bracket close, or bracket in expression, bracket close, or bracket in message, bracket close, or bracket in list separated by commas or semicolons, bracket close. Let me give you an example. CLS A 50, B 100. Print, quote in, the value of A is, quote close, semicolon, A, semicolon, quote in, and B is, quote close, semicolon, B. It will print the values just after the statement. Print A, B. It will print the values after leaving some spaces. Print A plus B. It will print the sum of the values. End. Now the input command is used to enter the values, text or number while the program is being executed. This command waits for the user to enter the information and then assigns the values accordingly. The syntax is line number, input, bracket in, numeric or string variable, bracket close, 10, input A. We can also have a list of variables in an input statement, but they should be separated by commas. For this, the syntax is bracket in, line, number, bracket close, input, bracket in, variable 1, bracket close, comma, bracket in, variable 2, bracket close, comma, bracket in, variable 3, bracket close. Let us have one more example. Type the following program and press 5 to execute it. Print, what is your name? Input, name, $. Print, quote in, hi, comma, quote close, name, $, semicolon, quote in, comma, nice to see you, exclamatory mark, quote close. Print, quote in, how old are you, question mark, quote close, comma. Input age. Print, quote in, so are you, quote close, comma, age, comma, years, old, exclamatory mark, quote closed. End. Now the